Ladies and gentlemen, ever wondered why someone who should be crawling on their knees for your attention isn't giving you the time of day? Well, sit tight, because today we're diving deep into the art of making someone who doesn't value you utterly obsessed. And we're doing it through the lens of Stoicism, one of the most powerful philosophical tools you can wield. 1. The power of perception. First things first, let's talk about perception. One of the core tenets of Stoicism is understanding that it's not events themselves that disturb us, but our interpretation of those events. When someone doesn't value you, it's easy to take it personally, to let it eat away at your confidence. But remember this, their lack of appreciation isn't a reflection of your worth, it's a reflection of their perception. And guess what? Perception can be manipulated. You have to start seeing yourself as the prize. That's right. The second you begin to value yourself, others will follow suit. This isn't about arrogance, it's about self-respect. The more you respect yourself, the less you'll tolerate being undervalued. And when you stop tolerating it, you stop accepting it. People notice that shift. They notice when you're no longer available to be taken for granted. 2. Embrace indifference. Here's the deal. People want what they can't have. This is where Stoicism comes in handy. A Stoic embraces indifference. Imagine a rock in the middle of a storm. No matter how much the wind howls or the rain pours, the rock remains unmoved. Be that rock. When someone doesn't value you, do not chase them. Instead, cultivate an air of indifference. Indifference is powerful because it disrupts the usual patterns of interaction. When you stop caring about their validation, you create a vacuum. Human beings hate vacuums. They crave attention, they crave validation. And when you withhold yours, they start to crave it from you. 3. Master the art of absence. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. We've all heard it, but few understand the true power of strategic absence. The Stoic philosophy teaches us to value our time and our presence. Stop being available at their beck and call. Pull back, focus on your own growth, and let them feel your absence. When you're always around, your value decreases in their eyes. But when you're scarce, they start to miss your presence, your energy, and eventually, they start to crave it. 4. Elevate your own life. Let's get real. You can't make someone obsessed with you if you're not obsessed with yourself. That's right. Self-obsession in a healthy way is key. Invest in yourself. Hit the gym, work on your career, cultivate hobbies, and surround yourself with people who uplift you. When you elevate your own life, you become a magnet. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence and live a life of purpose. Here's a hard truth. People value those who bring value. Become so valuable that your absence is a loss they cannot afford. When you're thriving, happy, and successful, they'll take notice. They'll wonder what changed, and they'll want to be a part of it. 5. The power of silence. Stoicism teaches us the power of silence. In a world full of noise, silence is a powerful weapon. Stop explaining yourself. Stop trying to prove your worth to someone who doesn't see it. Let your actions speak for you. The less you say, the more they'll wonder. Curiosity is a potent tool. When you stop feeding them with words, they'll start to seek out your actions. They'll want to decode you, understand you, and eventually, they'll become obsessed with figuring you out. 6. Maintain your frame. One of the most critical aspects of Stoicism is maintaining your frame. Your frame is your worldview, your set of beliefs, and your self-image. Never let anyone shake it. When someone doesn't value you, it's easy to slip into the trap of questioning yourself. Don't. Hold your frame. If they can't see your worth, that's their problem, not yours. Your confidence and self-assuredness should remain unshaken. When you maintain your frame, you become unbreakable. People are naturally drawn to strength, to those who know who they are and what they stand for. 7. Control your emotions. Stoicism is all about mastering your emotions. Emotions are powerful, but they can also be your downfall if not controlled. When someone doesn't value you, it's easy to get angry, sad, or desperate. Don't. Control your emotions. Show them that their lack of appreciation doesn't affect you. This emotional control is magnetic. It shows strength and resilience. When you're in control of your emotions, you're in control of the situation. And trust me, people find that irresistible. 8. The power of choice. Remember, you always have a choice. Stoicism teaches us that while we can't control others, we can control how we respond. Choose to respond with dignity and self-respect. Choose to invest in yourself rather than waste time on someone who doesn't see your worth. When you choose yourself, you're sending a powerful message. You are the prize. And when you see yourself as the prize, others will too. 9. The game of patience. Patience is a virtue, and it's one that Stoics hold dear. Understand that making someone who doesn't value you obsessed isn't an overnight process. It takes time, consistency, and unwavering self-belief. Be patient. Let them come to you. Let them realize what they've lost. And when they do, you'll be in a position of strength, not desperation. 10. Cultivate. Mystery. Mystery is a powerful tool in the art of obsession. Stoicism isn't about being an open book. It's about cultivating an air of mystery. Don't lay all your cards on the table. Keep some aspects of your life private. This isn't about being secretive, it's about being selective. When you're a mystery, people are naturally drawn to you. They want to know more, to understand the enigma that you are, and that curiosity can quickly turn into obsession. 11. The power of reflection. Stoicism emphasizes reflection. Take time to reflect on your interactions. Understand what works and what doesn't. Learn from your experiences and continuously improve. Reflection helps you understand yourself better and, in turn, helps you navigate relationships more effectively. When you reflect, you grow. And when you grow, you become more valuable. In the end, the best way to make someone who doesn't value you obsessed is to become the best version of yourself. Focus on your growth, your happiness, and your success. Live a life of purpose and passion. When you do, you become irresistible. People are drawn to those who live fully, who are confident, and who are unapologetically themselves. So, stop chasing those who don't value you. Instead, value yourself. Embrace Stoicism. Control your emotions, maintain your frame, and elevate your life. When you do, you'll not only make them obsessed, but you'll also attract people who truly value you. And that, my friends, is the ultimate goal. Remember, you are the prize. Act like it. Act like